Good morning students. Last class we learned what is rate. In chemical kinetics lesson, last class we learned what is rate. Rate means change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. That only given here, unit of rate of reaction. Before that, one picture is given. See that picture. This is for reactant and this curve is for product. For reaction A gives B, for that reaction only this picture is given. In this reaction, A is called as reactant and B is called as product. Usually in any chemical reaction, reactions only will be more at initially. If time proceeds means, if reaction proceeds means, the concentration of reactant is decreases. Initially reactant concentration is maximum. If times goes on means, the concentration of reactant will be decrease, and particular time after some time it will reach 0. Initially the product, no product is formed. If time proceeds means, if times goes on means, the concentration of product is increases and reach maximum. If time proceeds, reaction concentration is decreased and product concentration is increased. So that only given in this picture. Next one, unit of rate of reaction. Unit of rate of reaction. Already you know what is rate. Now we are going to learn about unit of rate. Rate means change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. So in numerical part, concentrations will become divided by time taken T. For concentration, the unit is moles per liter, mole per liter divided by, for unit of time, for time the unit is second. So moles per liter per second, that only given here. So that only given here. So concentration is expressed in number of moles per liter. So the unit of concentration is moles per liter and the unit of time is seconds. Therefore the unit of rate of the reaction is moles per liter per second. Depending upon the nature of the reaction, instead of second, minute, hour, year can also be used. Instead of second, we can use minute, hour, year depending upon the nature of reactions. And for gaseous phase reaction, the concentration of gaseous species is usually expressed in terms of partial pressure. In such case, the unit of reaction rate is atmosphere per second, because for gas phase reaction the unit of concentration is partial pressure of gas. Usually it is indicated by atmospheric pressure ATM divided by the unit of time is second. So atmosphere divided by second, that only given here, atmosphere per second. So next heading, unit of rate of reaction. Unit of rate is equal to concentration term divided by second, times term. Concentration unit is mole per liter for second. Time is the unit. Sorry. Unit of rate is equal to unit of concentration divided by unit of time. Unit of concentration is moles per liter. Unit of time is second. So moles per liter per second. For gas phase reaction, if gas is used means concentration is not expressed in moles per liter. Solution only expressed in moles per liter. For gas, it is not expressed in moles per liter. Usually the gas is expressed in terms of atmospheric pressure. So instead of moles per liter, you should use atmospheric pressure, ATM, divided by time unit is second, same only. So atmospheric per second, that only given here. Next one, stoichiometry, rate of the reaction. Stoichiometry and rate of the reaction. In this part also, we are going to write rate of the reactions only for a given reaction. Here one reaction is given, that is A gives B. A gives B. The stoichiometry of both reactant and product are same. That means how many A and how many B are present? Only one A and only one B is present. So stoichiometry of both reactant and product are same. Hence the rate of disappearance of reactant and the rate of appearance of product are same. That means 1A is disappeared, 1A is disappeared and 1B is formed. So disappearance of reactant and appearance of product is same. Now let us consider for a reaction A gives 2B. In this case, for every mole of A that disappears of 2 moles of B appear. 1A gives 2B. 1A is disappeared means 2B is appeared, formed. That is, rate of formation of B is twice. Rate of formation of B is twice as fast as rate of disappearance of A. Rate of formation of B is twice as fast as rate of disappearance of A, because the rate of disappearance of A is equal to twice the rate of appearance of B. So rate of appearance, rate of the reaction can be expressed as below. That means we are going to write rate of the reaction for that reaction, that is A gives to B. Here A is reactant, 2B is a product. Already I told, for rate of the reaction the formula is concentration of reactant divided by time taken. Change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Last class itself we learned. Here we are going to write rate of the reaction in terms of product, here reactant. Change means difference. Change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. For time taken, dt is given. For time taken, dt is given. D means difference. Starting time, finishing time. That is T2 minus T1. Difference between the time. That is dt. So change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. For time, dt. Change in concentration of reactant or product. First they gave in terms of product, here B is the product. So change in concentration of product. Here product is B. So only dV by dt. Please note the children, square bracket means concentration. Square bracket means concentration. So you have to pronounce differentiation of concentration of B, differentiation of concentration of B divided by time taken dt. Here plus symbol is given. That is also I explained. If reaction proceeds means concentration of product is increased, so only here positive symbol is given. When you are writing rate in terms of product means you should write the symbol plus here. Is equal to, this is rate of the reaction, this is also rate of the reaction, but this is in terms of reactant. This is in terms of reactant. Same formula only. Here also change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Change means difference. Change means difference. So change in concentration of reactant or product. Here reactant is given because in this reaction reactant is A. Reactant is A. So only reactant A is given. So change in concentration of change means difference. Change in concentration of reactant divided by time taken dt. Please note the symbol here, minus symbol is given. When reaction proceeds, the reactant concentration is decreased. So only here negative symbol is given. The remaining only one, here 2 is given. Here 2 is given. The explanation for that, it is given in these lines. The rate of formation of B is twice as fast as rate of disappearance of A. This is rate of disappearance of A. This is rate of appearance of B. Rate of appearance of B is twice that of rate of disappearance of A. So that only given here. In other words, we can tell same rate equation only given. Rate, if 2 comes this side means reciprocal. So 1 by 2. Rate is equal to, this 2 comes this side means you will get 1 by 2 dV by dt, that only given here. After moving the 2, you will having only minus dA by dt, that only given here. So in other words, we can write that rate is equal to minus dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2 dV by dt. For general reaction, the rate of reaction is equal to rate of consumption of reactant divided by its coefficient in terms of equation. For understanding that, they gave one more equation, XA plus YB plus gives LC plus MD. Here this A, this B and C and D all are product. A and B are called as reactant and C and D are called as product. Please note it. A and B both are reactant, C and D both are product. The remaining X and Y, number of moles of A, number of moles of B, number of moles of C, number of moles of D. So these X, Y, L, M all are numbers. See one example. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Here H2, O2 both are reactant, H2O product, 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 moles of oxygen both are reactant means 2 moles of water is formed. So this is reactant and this is product. This is number of moles of reactant, this is number of moles of product. Like that, in that equation A, B, C, D all are reactant and product. These X, Y, L, M, these are all numbers, that is stoichiometry, that is number of reactant or product. For this reaction we can write rate. For this reaction we can write rate. Already you know the formula for rate: change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Divided by time taken only, that only dt is given. Change means difference. Change in concentration of reactant, here rate given in terms of concentration of A. So change in concentration of reactant A divided by time taken. Like that, here also rate is given in terms of reactant B. So change in concentration of reactant B divided by time taken. Here X is there, so you must write the reciprocal of X, that is minus 1 by X. Why minus came here? Because this is reactant. For reactant, if reaction proceeds means concentration of reactant is going to decrease, that only indicated by negative sign. Like that, here also rate is given in terms of reactant only, so only here minus sign is given. Next one, same rate is given but in terms of product C. So change in concentration of product C divided by time taken dt L. So reciprocal of L is given, that is 1 by L. Like that, product rate is given in terms of product D. Change in concentration of product D divided by time taken dt. Here M number mole is there, so only you have to write 1 by M. That's all children. In this page we learn unit of rate, moles per liter per second, and atmosphere per second. These are very important 1 marks, please note it. And in stoichiometry rate of the reaction, they gave 2 reactions, one is A gives B, another one A gives 2B. For that reaction they are giving rate is given, change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Like that, one more reaction is given, there also they gave training for how to write the rate in terms of reactant or product. So this is stoichiometry and rate of the reaction. So this page is over, remaining we will continue in our next video. Thank you.